Hey, and welcome to my PRO-TUTO YouTube channel. My name is Max. Today we'll be talking about how to install WordPress on your newly purchased domain. Are you a blogger and you want to build a web page that you can showcase your articles? Then stay tuned to this video. We'll be showing you how you can install WordPress on your domain and easily set up your site faster. So without wasting much of time, let's go straight to our Chrome browser. So in this article, we'll be using a hosting company called Namecheap. Namecheap is a hosting provider and domain provider and domain registrar also. So we'll be using Namecheap for the sake of this tutorial. So just follow this video and you will learn a lot from it. So to begin, let's go to Namecheap. Alright, you can see Namecheap here. They have great services. As you can see, they offer email, business email, migrate, and all the rest. WordPress, migrate to WordPress, and managed by WordPress hosting. So today we'll be talking of on the WordPress hosting. So as you can see, they offer shared hosting, WordPress hosting, reseller hosting, VPS hosting, and all the rest. Yeah, shared hosting is just you can have multiple domains and you can link them all to just a single hosting. That's what I mean by shared hosting. You can share your hosting to, let me say, 10, 12 or 15 domains. As you can link multiple domains to a single hosting. Yeah. While WordPress domain is just a form of web hosting that is optimized to run on WordPress site by using a WordPress to host. So with this, you will receive a lot of tools and services that are specially tailored to WordPress site. Reseller hosting, it is when hosting companies like Namecheap, they like give opportunity for third parties to purchase hosting packages and sell to other users. Yeah. While the VPS, as you can see, the VPS hosting is just a virtual private server. Let me say, virtual private server hosting service that users use this virtualized technology to provide you with dedicated resources on a server with multiple users. Yeah, that is VPS hosting. So let's go straight out. We'll be using the shared hosting for this purpose. So I already have my account here. So if you don't have hosting, you just need to click and purchase hosting from here. We'll be releasing a video on how you can get hosting from Namecheap and other hosting providers. So let's just go straight to my login. Alright, as you can see, here's my account. I just need to verify before I can have access. Oh, it's like I missed the code. Alright, so let me put the right code. Okay. Okay, this is how it works. In order for you to install WordPress on your newly purchased domain, you just need to get your domain, create an account on Namecheap, and you can buy a domain from here. You can get any name.com and you search for your domain, and you pay for it, and it will be automatically added to your account. So as you can see, I've just searched for this domain as an example. It's available for $29.98 a year, and the appletech.com is not available. It was registered in 2000. So for this purpose, I already have domains in my account, so we'll just go and let me show you. Let me use one of my domains and show you what to do. Okay, for the purpose of this video, we'll be using one of my domains. Okay, we'll be using BlessPointTech as an example. So let's go to the cPanel, and let me show you how you can do this. Alright, once we are in the cPanel of your hosting provider, all you just need to do is search for Subtaclus. This is it, WordPress managed by Subtaclus. So for you to install WordPress on your domain, you just need to scroll down and go to WordPress and click on it. Alright, you can see other WordPress installations, and there was already an installation for BlessPointTech here. So what we need to do is just need to back it up. Okay. So we'll be deleting this installation here. Alright, now that the installation has been removed, let's install a brand new one. So you click on install. So this is where you need to pay attention. Alright, as you can see here, choose installation URL. So you can decide to choose any of these. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be going with this one. And you click here and you select the domain that you want to install WordPress on. So we'll be using BlessPointTech.com to install the domain, to install WordPress. Alright, after doing that, you go to the next. You can choose to upgrade your WordPress, maybe use the latest one. So we are on the latest one, 5.9.3. Okay, now you can give your site name. So let's put alright, as you can see, BlessPointTech is out. Site description, we provider, Apple. Online business. Online business, and you can add anything. This is just a site description of your choice, so just leave it to online business. Alright, the next thing we have to add, we have to put a username and a password. So here you just need to put, you can decide to put whatever name you want. So we'll be using default name admin, and you can choose to stay with the password already provided by the system. So go with that, copy it and keep somewhere in order not to forget. Alright, the email is already there. Email is there already. Now with this option, enable multi-site, WordPress multi-site, means that if you choose this option, you can have just a single WordPress page, and you can manage multiple websites just with a single WordPress page. And if you want that, you can just click on the check box here, the box, and you check the box in order to confirm the option. So after we have configured all this, you just need to go down to choose a classic editor. That's a plugin that will automatically be installed. You can as well manage different type of plugin here that you want to add on your site. Alright, they are known for now. So let's go back to our installation page. So the two most important ones are the limit login attempts and the classic editor. So once that is done, you can choose a theme from here. You can choose a theme from here and install. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using a custom theme, so we don't need to choose any theme from here. So just go down, make sure to provide an email address like this. So let's put our email address down. I'll click on install. Alright, as you can see, WordPress has been installed on our domain. WordPress has been installed on our domain. So let's go ahead and see our WordPress dashboard. Wow, so you can see this is our WordPress dashboard, newly installed domain. So you can now install your new theme and go ahead and customize your new website. So thanks for watching this tutorial. We hope this was helpful to somebody out there. For you to always get more of this, don't forget to click the subscribe button down, and you always get helpful articles from us. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.